The Detroit Lions have locked in their new offensive coordinator, bringing back a familiar face in John Morton. The former Denver Broncos passing game coordinator is set to replace Ben Johnson, marking his return to Detroit after previously serving as a senior offensive assistant in 2022. Morton, 55, brings a wealth of experience, having worked in multiple roles across the NFL and college football. His coaching path has taken him through stints with the Raiders, 49ers, and the University of San Diego. He was the offensive coordinator at USC in 2009-10 and later held the same role with the New York Jets in 2017 under head coach Todd Bowles. His connection to Lions head coach Dan Campbell dates back to 2016, when the two crossed paths in New Orleans under Sean Payton. Morton was the Saints wide receivers coach at the time, helping develop talents like Michael Thomas and Brandon Cooks, while Campbell was brought in as the team's assistant head coach and tight ends coach. Morton's recent time in Denver also reunited him with Payton for the 2023-24 seasons. With Morton stepping into the coordinator role, several internal candidates, such as offensive line coach Hank Fraley, running backs coach Scotty Montgomery, quarterbacks coach Mark Brunell, and passing game coordinator Tanner Engstrand, will remain in their current roles for now. Fraley had previously interviewed for the Seahawks offensive coordinator job, but Seattle ultimately went with Clint Kubiak. What remains to be seen is how Morton will shape his staff and whether Detroit can avoid further losses among its offensive assistants. The departures of wide receivers coach Antoine Randall L. and assistant quarterbacks coach J.T. Barrett have already thinned the Lions' coaching ranks. Holding on to key assistants will be crucial as Morton takes the reins of an offense that was the NFL's top-scoring unit in 2024.